Are your legs feeling weaker than they used to, making it harder to get around with confidence? Do you find yourself getting tired more quickly or feeling unsteady on your feet? You're certainly not alone, and this doesn't have to be an inevitable part of aging. Emerging research highlights the remarkable power of certain natural teas, which can actively contribute to rebuilding leg strength, enhancing blood circulation, reducing inflammation, and significantly boosting your energy levels. Best of all, these solutions offer a natural approach, free from the need for pills or strenuous exercises, and are both simple and scientifically supported. For instance, a comprehensive long-term study conducted in Japan involving thousands of older adults revealed a compelling connection. Those who consistently drank green tea were substantially more likely to maintain their muscle strength and balance as they aged. This effect is vividly illustrated by the life of legendary Japanese sprinter Hidechi Miyazaki, who, even past the age of 100, attributed his ability to keep running to his daily habit of drinking green tea. In this video, we're going to unveil the top 3 teas specifically chosen for seniors to revitalize leg strength and energy. Each tea has been meticulously selected and fact-checked by a team of health researchers, ensuring you receive trustworthy information. And as a special bonus for staying with us until the end, we'll share a surprising tea ingredient, likely unfamiliar to you, that has been scientifically shown to supercharge circulation and combat muscle fatigue in older adults. You won't want to miss this valuable insight. Let's begin our journey to stronger legs and renewed vitality. Our first exceptional tea is a soothing blend of ginger and turmeric. Imagine starting your day with a warm, comforting cup of ginger turmeric tea. This simple beverage can be a true game changer for older adults seeking to fortify their legs and naturally elevate their energy. If you've experienced a feeling of heaviness in your legs while walking, or find yourself fatigued by the time you reach the top of a flight of stairs, this tea might very quickly become a cherished part of your daily routine. The effectiveness of this blend stems from the powerful properties of ginger and turmeric, two of nature's most potent anti-inflammatory roots. When combined, they do more than just impart a comforting flavor to your tea. They actively work to alleviate the inflammation that often leads to joint stiffness, aches, and muscle fatigue. For many seniors, it's not solely muscle weakness that hinders mobility, but also the persistent pain and swelling that follow even minor physical activities. Ginger turmeric tea directly addresses the root cause of this discomfort. Furthermore, ginger contains natural compounds known as gingerols, which scientific studies indicate can significantly improve blood circulation. Consider your legs as essential engines that require a constant supply of oxygen-rich blood to maintain their strength and recover from daily wear and tear. When circulation diminishes, muscles are deprived of vital nutrients, leading to fatigue and unsteadiness. Regular consumption of ginger tea can gently enhance blood flow, invigorating your legs and making each step feel more secure and confident. Now, let's turn our attention to turmeric. This vibrant golden spice is rich in curcumin, celebrated for its remarkable ability to combat inflammation, protect muscles from degeneration, and promote recovery after physical exertion. If you experience clicking in your knees when you stand or feel sore after a short walk, curcumin can help to soothe these issues. By reducing inflammation, your muscles are better able to perform their crucial functions, stabilizing your body, supporting your movements, and powering your every action. An often overlooked benefit is the gentle energy boost this tea provides. Unlike coffee, which can lead to jitteriness, ginger naturally supports your metabolism, aiding your body in converting food into energy more efficiently. This means you might feel more alert and motivated throughout the day rather than experiencing post-lunch sluggishness or the urge for an afternoon nap, perhaps even inspiring you to take that walk or perform those simple leg stretches you've been meaning to do. Preparing this beneficial tea at home is remarkably easy. You'll need a few slices of fresh ginger root, a teaspoon of ground turmeric or fresh turmeric if available, and hot water. Allow it to steep for about 10 minutes, then add a pinch of black pepper, which significantly enhances the absorption of curcumin. Sweeten with a touch of honey or a squeeze of lemon if desired. This simple process yields a powerful healing tea that supports your legs, energy, and overall well-being. While some individuals notice benefits within days, others may take a couple of weeks to experience the full effects, but consistency is paramount. Enjoying 1 cup a day, particularly in the morning, can make a remarkable difference in how your legs feel and your energy levels throughout the entire day. This remedy has deep roots in tradition. In many Indian households, ginger and turmeric tea has been used for generations to maintain joint flexibility and alleviate everyday aches. Even contemporary athletes like NBA star Stephen Curry have publicly shared their use of turmeric as part of their recovery regimen. While you don't need to train like a professional athlete, incorporating a daily cup of this tea can offer your muscles and joints similar, gentle, supportive benefits. Therefore, if you are serious about strengthening your legs, reducing discomfort, and naturally enhancing your energy, ginger turmeric tea presents an accessible and enjoyable starting point. Moving on to our second revitalizing tea, we have ginseng green tea. If you've been feeling consistently drained, finding your legs giving out halfway through the day, or struggling to find the motivation to keep moving, this tea might be precisely what your body has been signaling for. Ginseng green tea acts as a gentle yet effective wake-up call for your entire system, including your muscles, brain, and of course, those tired legs. The magic of this blend lies in the combination of 2 potent natural elements: green tea, which is abundant in antioxidants and natural energy enhancers, and ginseng, an ancient root used for centuries in traditional medicine to combat fatigue, build strength, and restore vitality. Ginseng's remarkable benefits for your legs are largely due to its adaptogenic properties, which help your body manage stress. Aging itself, surprisingly, places daily stress on your muscles and joints. Ginseng helps to mitigate this internal stress, fostering resilience in your body so your legs feel less like they are working against you with every movement. Furthermore, research indicates that ginseng can enhance muscle performance and endurance by improving the efficiency with which your muscles utilize oxygen. This translates directly into greater stamina and reduced feelings of tiredness. Imagine navigating your home, climbing stairs, or running errands without feeling completely depleted afterward. This is the transformative effect ginseng can have over time. When paired with green tea, the benefits are amplified. Green tea is rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that combat the damaging effects of free radicals in your muscles and joints. These free radicals contribute to cellular damage over time, making your legs feel older than they actually are. Regular green tea consumption supports your body's natural repair processes, helping to maintain stronger muscles and more capable joints. Unlike coffee, which can cause energy spikes and subsequent crashes, green tea provides a smooth, sustained energy lift thanks to L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes calmness while simultaneously enhancing alertness. When you combine this with ginseng, you achieve a steady, long-lasting boost in both physical and mental energy. The mental boost is particularly significant. When you feel sharper and more mentally energized, you naturally feel more inclined to be active. This increased motivation encourages greater use of your legs, which gradually helps to rebuild their strength. In essence, ginseng green tea not only fuels your body, but also sparks the positive mindset that supports an active lifestyle. Preparing this invigorating tea at home is straightforward. Begin by boiling a cup of water and allowing it to cool slightly to avoid scalding. Steep a green tea bag for 2 to 3 minutes, then add a few thin slices of fresh ginseng root or about a 1/4 teaspoon of dried ginseng powder. Let this mixture steep for an additional 5 minutes. For enhanced flavor, you can add a touch of honey or a squeeze of lemon. The result is a delicious, energizing cup that supports leg strength and overall well-being. For optimal results, consume this tea daily. It's not a quick fix, but a gentle habit that works consistently to improve your energy, balance, and mobility over time. Scientific evidence supports these benefits. Research published in the American Journal of Chinese Medicine shows that older adults who regularly consume ginseng experienced improved lower body body strength and reduced fatigue during daily activities. Beyond scientific studies, numerous public figures, such as actor Jackie Chan, who is in his 70s, have spoken about incorporating ginseng tea into their wellness routines to maintain their active lifestyles for physically demanding roles. If someone in their 70s can maintain such a high level of activity, imagine the gentle yet impactful boost it can provide for your everyday walks, stair climbs, and light exercises. Therefore, if you're tired of feeling sluggish and wish to feel sharper, more mobile, and more in control of your energy levels, ginseng green tea warrants a permanent place in your daily regimen. It's more than just a beverage. It's a daily encouragement toward a healthier, stronger version of yourself. Finally, let's explore the benefits of ashwagandha root tea, a truly unique beverage that extends its support beyond just your legs, promoting balance, calmness, and strength throughout your entire body. Ashwagandha, often referred to as an adaptogen, possesses the remarkable ability to help your body effectively manage stress, fatigue, and the wear and tear associated with aging. This is particularly crucial for older adults. As we age, muscle weakness isn't solely attributable to inactivity. It's also significantly influenced by chronic stress, inadequate sleep, and hormonal shifts, especially concerning cortisol and testosterone, hormones that play a vital role in energy levels and muscle tone. Picture this: you wake up in the morning not feeling stiff, exhausted, or anxious about the day ahead, but instead feeling grounded and at peace. You stretch your legs and they genuinely feel ready for movement. As you stand, you notice that the heavy sensation in your legs has lessened. This subtle yet profound daily shift is what many individuals report after incorporating ashwagandha tea into their routine. The mechanism behind its effectiveness lies in its ability to regulate cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. When we experience stress, whether from health concerns, financial worries, or poor sleep, our body releases cortisol. Chronically elevated cortisol levels can weaken muscles, contribute to abdominal fat accumulation, and deplete energy reserves. Ashwagandha helps to calm the nervous system, signaling to your body that it is safe to relax and initiate repair processes. This shift allows your body to prioritize healing and muscle restoration over constant breakdown. Moreover, numerous studies have demonstrated that ashwagandha can enhance muscle strength and endurance, even in older adults. A clinical trial revealed that seniors who took ashwagandha daily experienced measurable improvements in lower body strength, better balance, and increased stamina within just a few weeks. This isn't magic. It's your body finally receiving the support it needs to function optimally. Ashwagandha also plays a supportive role in nerve health, which is fundamental to how your legs feel and function during walking and standing. If you've ever experienced shakiness, unsteadiness, or a feeling of losing control in your legs, weakened neuromuscular connections might be a contributing factor. Ashwagandha helps to strengthen these connections, thereby improving coordination and responsiveness. Additionally, if you struggle with sleep, this tea is particularly beneficial. Consuming it in the evening can help quiet a racing mind, reduce nighttime anxiety, and promote deeper, more restful sleep. Improved sleep is directly linked to better muscle recovery, as our muscles repair themselves most effectively during rest. Without adequate sleep, the body's ability to rebuild strength is significantly hampered, regardless of dietary intake. Preparing ashwagandha root tea is simple. You can find ashwagandha root in dried pieces, powder, or as part of blended tea bags. For the most potent benefits, dried root is recommended. Use approximately 1 teaspoon of the dried root, gently simmer it in water for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain and drink it warm. Adding cinnamon or honey can enhance the flavor if you prefer a sweeter taste, as ashwagandha has a naturally earthy, nutty profile that pairs well with warm spices. Some individuals prefer drinking it in the morning to promote all-day calmness and steady energy, while others find it more beneficial in the evening to aid relaxation and muscle recovery overnight. Regardless of when you choose to consume it, consistency is key. Making it a part of your daily ritual ensures your body receives continuous support. Inspirational figures in holistic wellness, including celebrity nutritionist Dr. Frank Lipman, often recommend ashwagandha for older clients experiencing fatigue and stress. Prominent wellness advocates over the age of 60, such as Gwyneth Paltrow's wellness team, have popularized adaptogens like ashwagandha for their ability to promote balanced energy and improve sleep quality. While they may utilize it for overall well-being, seniors can gain unique advantages, including enhanced leg strength, improved balance, and sustained calm energy throughout the day. Therefore, if you are seeking a way to feel more stable on your feet, reduce stress, and experience greater peace in your daily life, ashwagandha root tea is an excellent option to consider. It offers more than just stronger muscles. It contributes to restoring physical, mental, and emotional equilibrium, which is the true foundation for enduring vitality at any age. In summary, these three powerful natural teas can profoundly impact how your legs feel and the amount of energy you have each day. Ginger turmeric tea to soothe inflammation and enhance circulation, ginseng green tea to boost muscle strength and stamina, and ashwagandha root tea to restore balance, alleviate stress, and support overnight recovery. These are not merely comforting beverages, but simple daily tools designed to help you walk with greater stability, feel stronger, and navigate life with increased confidence and reduced discomfort. Remember, the secret to unlocking these benefits lies in consistency. Just 1 cup per day, combined with gentle movement and a positive mindset, can lead to significant improvements over time. If this video has been helpful, or if you plan to try any of these teas, we encourage you to share your experiences in the comments section. Your insights are valuable to our community. If you found this information beneficial, please like, share, and subscribe for more research-backed health tips tailored just for you. You truly deserve to feel strong and vibrant again. If you found this video helpful, please remember to hit the like button, as it greatly supports the channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below and let us know what you think. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.